What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's day 16 of trading with the robot. So we're going to see how much we've made so far. We have made 4,386.35. And now we're going to see how much it made on from July 4th, right? July 4th to July 5th. So the robot made 594.80. So we have a total of, we now have a total of from June 19th to July the 5th, we now have a total of 4,759.81 runs. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's that. We are going this we're going with this challenge, and of course ensure that you follow me so that you don't miss a thing and you see how amazing this journey is going to be. I'm out.